Hey everyone! Today, we will show you how to send WhatsApp messages directly from Google Sheets. Whether we want to contact customers, send reminders, or automate messaging tasks, this tutorial is for us. On the Google Sheets dashboard, to get WhatsApp working with Google Sheets, all we need to do is click on Get Add-ons on the right side. If we cannot see it, there is an arrow panel we can use to show it. Once we click there, a pop-up window will appear. Let's wait for it to load. Here, we can browse the available apps. Since we do not have the app yet, we just need to type WhatsApp in the search bar. Then click on WhatsApp Sender and click Install. This will allow us to send messages from Google Sheets to WhatsApp. Once we finish installing, click Continue, then Continue again. When that is done, the add-on will appear right here in Google Sheets. Once we refresh Google Sheets, we are ready to start sending messages to WhatsApp. Now, all we need to do is open the extension. We do not need to go to Add-ons. Instead, we can manage add-ons or go to our tools. From there, we just need to click here and go to the store. Here, we can see our automation options. All we have to do is click on the WhatsApp automation, then go to the API section so we can start connecting, and then send our messages to WhatsApp straight from Google Sheets.